Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this leaves and stuff out of your rubber mulch. You could just pick up the leaves one by one, but that takes forever and obviously no one wants to do that. So how I do it is I just have a little shop vac. I find that the little ones work a lot better than the big ones. The big ones seem to suck too much rubber mulch up, but I'll show you what I do and then you let me know what you think and if it'll work for you. I've been doing it for years. So I'm just going to turn this on. I'm just going to start sucking up leaves, and don't worry if you suck up some of the rubber mulch. I'm just going to go around and I'm not going to really care. I'm going to skim along the top so I get most of the leaves, and if I get some rubber mulch again, it's not that big of a deal. So I'm just going to go and suck as many leaves as I can up, push some through with my finger. And this is just in my kids' little play fort area. Obviously if you have a huge spot, this isn't going to work very well, but here in my kids' play fort area or in like a garden bed, this works perfect. And then once I get it all cleaned up, then I'll show you what it looks like inside the tank. So now we're going to take a look inside this tank. Yes, undo these two clips on this Milwaukee one. Like I said, any small one will really work. And this is what I like about these small ones. The rubber mulch sticks all to one side because it's heavier and all the leaves go to the back. And so what you can do is just go through and just throw out the little pieces of the rubber mulch. And it honestly doesn't even pick up that much mulch, so if you want to just throw it away, that's fine too, and just get a new bag every couple of years. But I just go through and I quickly throw it all out. And then like I said, you got all leaves left here and you can throw that out. I hope this video helps you, and we'll see you all next time.